Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today we've got this Parkside Cordless router POFA 12A2. Battery and charger are not included, you need to buy it separately. They cost about the 2 ampere hours 12 euros and the 4 ampere hours 20 euros, and with a charger another 7 euros. And of course it is compatible with all the batteries in the Parkside X12 volt team series. 3 years warranty. Improving and reducing packaging responsibly. This care is made from 90% recycled materials. That's great for you, Parkside, and for the environment. No load rotation speed is 19,500 RPM. Tool holder is 6 and 8 mm. Accessories included inside we're gonna find out together. For versatile and precise working with wood. Some icons in here, how you can work with that. Well, let's open it to see what we have inside. Nice durable case, and voila, there's the tool. Of course, inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice. Now, included at the box, we've got the combination wrench, the suction adapter for your vacuum clean, connect and take all the dust, the parallel stop to make some clean and straight cuts. And of course we've got this 6 pack of cutters. Nice box, everything included inside. And except that, of this cutter we've got, and this collect chuck 6 mm, it is the smaller one. Install it, we've got the 8 mm. Very oily. Now the first, it is the profile cutter. Diameter we've got 25 mm and it is R4 mm. The second, it is the routing cutter. Diameter it is 22 mm and it is R6.3 mm. Next we've got the V notch cutter. Diameter is 12.7 mm and it can cut 90 degrees angle at the wood. I will show you, of course, guys. I will use all that and we will see how they can cut at the wood. Next we've got the notch cutter. It is 12 mm. The notch cutter, it is 6 mm, the smaller. And the last is the fillet cutter. It is 22 mm, R6.3 mm. And of course here we can see some icons. Nice. Now at the unit we can see here we can install the battery. You can use a 12 volt 2 ampere hours battery, or if you want you can use the larger one. You can use the 4 ampere hours battery. It depends what you want. I think it will be better to use the 4 ampere hours battery. It will last longer. Of course you don't have any problem, you can use then the 2 ampere hours battery. Definitely it will do the job. Here we've got an ergonomic housing with an anti-slip soft grip detail to work better. It will fit better to your palm. It will not slide away from your hand. We've got the on-off switch. And you can see we've got 3-level battery status indicator. Here it is the button for the cutting depth rods adjustment. Just press that and you can see you can adjust it wherever you want. Leave it and it will stay here. And from the other side we've got the cutting depth adjustment locking knob. Lock it very well, and if you're gonna push this button it will not move anymore, it will stay there and you can unlock it. Here is the spindle lock button if you want to install one of these cutters with this wrench key. Well, let's do that. Now I'm going to start with the first one, the profile cutter. Press the button, it will lock, unlock. Then take the key, tighten it with your hand as much you can, and with the key. And that is it. Now by pressing, and then you can adjust from here how much you want to cut. And when you're going to find out the right position that you want for cutting, we've got and this setting knob for cutting depth fine adjustment. That means you can adjust, you can make more precise adjustment with this screw and unscrew, and you can further go inside and outside. That is very helpful. You will make precise adjustments. And there's the base, plastic, very straight base. Here we've got these two screws. You can install the depth stop, unscrew them, and you will have a very straight cut. Well guys, that was all about this unit, and I think it's time to move on for testing to see the precise cut that it can do, that unit. And of course you can connect the dust collector. Goes here, press and rotate, left or right, depends how you want to work. And this side. I will use it without dust collector. Let's start with this profile. I already made some tests. Now adjusting, find the right position that you want. Let's see here, adjusting from here up and down. Okay, and then if you want, you can screw. There is one screw down here. You can screw it and you can see it will reveal here, and it prevents any movement of this adjustment screw. And of course you can screw in from here to be more tight. And there we are, we've got a clean cut, very straight and clean cut. It's very smooth, nice. And as we can see, the Parkside cutters are not so good. There is an Allen screw down here that is tightening very well at the cutter, but as I can see, the screw was broken at the time when I was cutting the wood. Well, let's try and the other one. The other profile. Again, make the adjustments. And we can see very clear and very smooth. Nice. Now let's try this one. And again, we can make the adjustments. And here we've got nice and clean cut. Now let's try this 90 degrees. For the 90 degrees, let's adjust on this. Okay, great. Nice canal. Now let's try this. Let's do the adjustments here. Nice. There it is. We have cleaned this area. And of course you can use, and this is the 6mm. And you can adjust it further out or in. Nice and smooth, and making this canal. Now I will try to use the 6mm and do more precise cutting. Now I have drawn a design here. I have made the adjustments, and let's start. I have connected the vacuum. I can say it's doing some job, yep. Well guys, that was all about this testing. I can say it can do a very smooth routing. It can cut the canals very good, but it's getting too hot when I'm working, yep. In the point that maybe sometimes I cannot touch it very well. The cutters are not in a good quality. The screw is not screwing very well. In some points it was broken. You need to use a better quality cutters. Well guys, you have seen what it can do. It's cutting very well at the wood and definitely and the corners is very smooth. Well, if you need something like that to buy it for yourself for some DIY projects, have it to your basement, garage, wherever you want and use it at the right time, well, just buy it. It is only 39 euros without battery and without charger. You need to give about 20 euros more and to have the charger and the batteries with a 2 ampere hours battery. With a 4 ampere hours battery, you need to give another 30 euros charger and the battery. And please let me know down below to the comments your thoughts. You like it, you want to buy something like that? I will keep using it. I will see how it goes at the future. And I will leave down below the description my thoughts if something wrong. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.